Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Israel is losing the war only way. Focus on assessing strategic missteps and measurable indicators while tracking battlefield, supply, and diplomatic effects. I will walk you through 3 clear areas where plans faltered, why those failures compound, and what observable signs to watch next. This is a calm, practical breakdown that highlights evidence, implications, and plausible near-term outcomes, spoken in a clear, friendly tone. Many operational problems emerge when planning, logistics, and intelligence do not align, and those gaps are exactly what I will unpack here in plain language. I explain how delayed decisions, broken supply lines, and missed warnings multiply battlefield losses and erode initiative. You will hear concrete examples of pattern failures, how they ripple through units, and why fixing one area alone often cannot reverse the broader trend in time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear explainers. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and stop spills in backpacks, so you can focus on the day not cleanup, which feels relevant when you need stress-free lunches between updates. I've linked the product and other deals in the description for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. Strategy does not exist in a vacuum, and in this section, I outline the political and diplomatic dynamics feeding military strain. I describe how constrained decision-making, international isolation risks, and rising domestic costs limit strategic choices and increase the chance of missteps. This part links battlefield outcomes to broader political consequences, helping you understand why operational failures can quickly translate into strategic setbacks that are hard to reverse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.